Hey everyone, and today, we're talking about cars you should avoid like the plague in 2025. Buying a new car is a big decision, maybe one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make aside from a house. So you want to make sure you're getting a good one. That's why I've compiled a list of 10 cars that just aren't worth your hard-earned money. We'll be taking an in-depth look at why these vehicles are best left off your shopping list, from safety concerns and outdated tech to reliability issues and questionable styling choices. Buckle up because this is going to be a bumpy ride. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty details, examining each car's performance, maintenance costs, and overall value. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, this guide will help you steer clear of potential pitfalls. So grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to make a smart, informed decision. Let's get started and make sure your next car purchase is one you won't regret. First up, we have the 2025 Chevrolet Spark. This compact car is marketed as an affordable option for those who need basic transportation without breaking the bank. Now, I understand that everyone's on a budget, and finding a car that fits within financial constraints is crucial for many. But the Spark takes cost-cutting to a whole new level. It's almost as if the designers were given a challenge to make the cheapest car possible. The safety ratings are abysmal, with crash tests showing poor performance in several key areas. Some experts even question if it could withstand a strong gust of wind, let alone more severe weather conditions. Inside, you'll find a cabin that's about as exciting as a trip to the DMV, with a design that feels outdated and uninspired. The hard plastics and uncomfortable seats make long drives a chore rather than a pleasure. It's like Chevy took all the leftover parts from their other cars and said, "Hey, let's make a car out of this." The result is a vehicle that feels cobbled together, lacking the refinement and quality you'd expect from a modern car. Next on our list is the 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage. Remember that feeling of driving your grandma's old car? That's what it's like to drive the Mirage. Its engine is about as powerful as a hairdryer, and the interior quality makes a cardboard box feel luxurious. I'm not sure what Mitsubishi was thinking when they designed this car, but it feels like they haven't updated it since the early 2000s. Seriously, the only thing missing is a cassette player. The 2025 Fiat 500L might look cute and quirky on the outside, but don't let that fool you. While its charming exterior and compact size make it seem like the perfect city car, this car is notorious for its cramped interior. The front seats might be somewhat comfortable, but the backseat passengers are practically sitting on top of each other. Long journeys can become quite uncomfortable. And don't even get me started on the reliability issues. The 500L has a reputation for frequent breakdowns, despite Fiat's long and storied history of producing cars. You'd think they would have ironed out the kinks by now. But it seems like the 500L spends more time in the shop than on the road. Owners often find themselves at the mechanics, and the 500L is no exception. It's frustrating to deal with constant repairs and maintenance. It's like a cute puppy that chews up your furniture. At first it seems adorable and harmless, but soon you're left with a hefty vet bill and a lot of frustration. The Fiat 500L, while charming, might not be worth the hassle. The 2025 Jeep Renegade tries to capitalize on the rugged Jeep image, but it falls short in almost every way. Its fuel economy is abysmal, especially for a vehicle of its size. It's like they designed it to guzzle gas like it's going out of style. And when it comes to maintenance costs, be prepared to shell out some serious cash. The Renegade is known for its finicky electronics and expensive parts, so you better have a good mechanic on speed dial. The 2025 Nissan Kicks is another subcompact SUV that fails to impress. Its performance is lackluster to say the least. Trying to merge onto the highway in this thing is like trying to outrun a snail in a marathon. And if you're hoping to haul anything more than a couple of grocery bags, you're out of luck. The Kicks offers limited cargo space, making it about as practical as a two-seater sports car. The 2025 Ford EcoSport feels like it's stuck in a time warp. Its design is outdated, its interior is cramped, and its handling leaves much to be desired. It's like Ford took all the things that were wrong with cars from a decade ago and combined them into one vehicle. Seriously, there are so many better options in this segment, it's almost embarrassing for Ford. The 2025 Dodge Journey is a blast from the past, and not in a good way. Its technology feels ancient, with an infotainment system that looks like it was designed in the Stone Age. And if safety is a priority, you'll want to steer clear of this one. The Journey has consistently received poor crash test ratings, making it about as safe as a unicycle on a tightrope. The 2025 Chrysler 300 might try to exude an aura of luxury, but don't be fooled. This car depreciates faster than a banana in a rainforest. You'll lose a significant chunk of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. And as if that wasn't bad enough, the 300 is also plagued by below-average reliability. It's like a high-maintenance partner who constantly drains your bank account. The 2025 Cadillac CT4 tries to play in the big leagues of luxury sedans, but it falls short in several key areas. While it might look the part from the outside, its cramped rear seats make it a poor choice for anyone who plans on carrying passengers on a regular basis, and be prepared to shell out some serious cash for maintenance. Cadillac ownership doesn't come cheap, and the CT4 is no exception. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia might be a looker, with its seductive Italian styling and sporty handling. But underneath that pretty face lies a history of reliability issues that would make even the most seasoned mechanic nervous. Alfa Romeos are notorious for their electrical gremlins and expensive repairs, so unless you have a spare Italian mechanic on retainer, you might want to think twice before buying one of these. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. If you crave the finest cars, the most exclusive brands, and a taste of the high life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join us as we explore the world of luxury, one masterpiece at a time. Which dream car would you choose? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.